got Mikey with me for sure.
Damn, this ain't the right road.
Fucking balls away. In the bitch masquerade. I can say fuck rapping, hit the drop, top on the section 8. Know your nigga cap, I like your picture. Now you block my page. They gon' laugh a nigga with his ass out. Then that nigga play.
Man, what's on YouTube, man? We back again with another, you know what I'm saying? Got the 300 right here. Got my boy teasing, man. What the business is, bro?
Man, bro, what's going on with y'all boys, man? Ain't no we can't see it. Hey man, YouTube videos just out too.
Hey man, y'all just go subscribe to Zay Sosa.
Go watch it.
Man, bro. We're gonna look at that in a second. But look, my guy. Man, bro. I threw the bumper back on the SRT bit, but look, bro. That bitch messing the teeth. Where the teeth at?
For the SRT, I'm a blessed to get shit. They get those fish.
Man, bro, you see the wood, bro. It's looking disgusting.
It ain't even that bad. It's crazy.
It ain't no bolts in it. It's crazy zip ties. Bro came out of the shorts like it ain't 40 degrees outside.
I do feel.
Talking on the phone and shit. What the fuck? Yo! Hey! We finna beat your ass on my mama! We finna beat your ass, nigga! On my mama, we finna beat your ass! What the business is, nigga?
She hit y'all like that.
No man, we all.
I just got in the rig yesterday, so.
I see both of y'all just paying back. Get your shirt.
Bro, who knew that little ass scratch could do that shit? Man, so YouTube, bro. Niggas just got in a rig, bro. Bro, we just got over here that got smacked by the cops and shit. And I'm trying to see what the fuck going on, bro. We done got smacked out by this bitch way back there and shit. Man, I'm in that bitch like, who the fuck it is? Man, so we driving straight, feel me? We just driving straight around the little curve, drive. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Lady side swipe hit or whatever. So I'm...
Shit, come on. You on the AMG?
Bro, the lady started yakking, talking about she had a parts car. She could just get y'all can just get the doors out that bitch. Hell nah, run your insurance. Whole time the bitch ain't got none.
Bro, you see what the fuck going on, bro?
Some bullshit. It's cold as fuck. Them white bitch right there. The hillbilly asshole.
It's okay, bro. We got it, bro. That bit don't even close. Man, it's crazy. This guy got in the rig, bro. Can you believe it, bro?
Shit,
Bro. Man, bro. Bro. The SRT is down, bro. You know what I mean? No cap, we ain't pulling up SRT right now.
Bro, my guy Zay, I ain't even trying to jokes, but ain't no way we pulling up SRT right now. She knocked the doors out that bitch like it's a Jeep.
I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, bro, he took out a whole sign last night, bro. Bro. I'm trying to see what the sign hit it on the car.
Alright, gang, it's about a month later, man. Since the wreck. Life just been crazy, bro. Life just been crazy. So the lady in the wreck, they hit us, let me back up. Let me get out here real quick. The lady that hit us and no insurance, bro. So you know how that's gonna go. But make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. We only going up. Hey, May 25th. Biggest car show. Make sure y'all slide, bro. Biggest car show for sure. And yeah, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Hey, share my page for sure. Cause we finna go up. We finna go up. I got some big videos on my way. Hey, 392 swap? Question mark. With the wide body kit. Hey. Stay tuned, man.